Your data is valuable. Don't let it fall into the wrong hands. Today, we're going to show you how to encrypt your data on Linux, giving you full control over your information. Why encryption matters. Encryption is the process of converting data into a code to prevent unauthorized access. In an era of increasing cyber threats, it's crucial to keep your data secure. Tools overview. Linux offers several tools for encryption. The most popular ones include LUKS, GnuPG, and encfs. Let's take a closer look at how to use each of these. Using LUKS for full disk encryption. LUKS, or Linux Unified Key Setup, is the standard for disk encryption on Linux. Here's how to encrypt your entire disk with LUKS. First, format the target partition with LUKS. This command initializes the partition for encryption. Be cautious, this will erase all existing data on the partition. Next, unlock the encrypted partition with sudo crypt setup luksopen dev sdx encrypted_disk. This command creates a map device that can be accessed as if it were unencrypted. Finally, format the encrypted partition with your preferred file system. This step prepares the partition for use. Your disk is now securely encrypted with LUKS. Remember, only those with the correct passphrase can access this data. Encrypting files with GnuPG. For encrypting individual files, GnuPG is a powerful tool. It's widely used for secure communications and file encryption. The command completes successfully, creating secret file.txt.gpg. Encrypting files with GnuPG is straightforward. Just use the gpgc command, followed by your file name. After entering a strong passphrase, your file is encrypted and ready to be securely stored or shared. encfs for directory encryption. encfs is a file system that encrypts files and directories on Linux and other Unix-like systems. It provides a secure way to protect sensitive data. encfs is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create encrypted directories. Here's how you can use it. Create encrypted and decrypted directories. Initialize encfs. Choose a security level, standard or paranoia, and set a password. Mount and access. The decrypted directory will be mounted and accessible as a normal directory. Encrypt files by moving them into the decrypted directory. Unmount. This locks the encrypted data, making it accessible only with the password. Best practices for encryption. Remember, encryption is only as strong as your passphrase. Use complex, unique passphrases and store them securely. Testing and verification. Always test your encrypted data to ensure it's accessible and properly secured. Make sure you can decrypt it without issues. Your data is your responsibility. Start encrypting it today with these tools and techniques. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.